Today, we're drawing the 2026 soccer mascot, Clutch the Eagle. I'm QJO. Let's draw. Start the nose with one long curve going down. Then bring another line down on the other side, round it at the bottom, and close the top to make a tall, soft nose shape. Add two tiny nostrils near the top of the nose. Keep them small and simple. From the lower right side of the nose, sweep a gentle curve out to the right. Then, go back to the lower left side and draw a matching curve out to the left. Now connect the space under the nose with a wide smile curve. Let it dip softly in the middle and rise toward both sides. Inside the mouth, add one short curved line on the left side of the nose, then another one on the right. These little curves help build the inner mouth shape. From the upper left side of the nose, draw a long, soft curve flowing out to the left above the first line. Then, repeat that same idea on the right side. Curl the ends of those two upper lines so they look extra lively and friendly. To finish the mouth, start at the left end and pull one big curve down and across to the right end. That outer line wraps everything together into a big, happy smile. Let's start with the eye on the right side of the page. Draw a tall, round eye shape, tucked close to the side of the nose. Inside the eye, add a small highlight circle near the top. Then draw the pupil around it. Keep that tiny highlight clean and bright. Fill the pupil in dark, but leave the highlight white. Now add a soft curved line above this eye for the first expressive brow line. Move to the other side and draw the second eye. Start with another round eye shape, this time tucked in on the left side of the nose. Add the ring around this eye, following the same rounded flow, so both eyes feel like a matching pair. Inside, draw the small highlight first, then the pupil, and fill the pupil dark while keeping that highlight white. To finish, add the curved brow lines above both eyes. Then a second smaller arc above each one for extra energy and expression. Now let's build the head shape. Start on the left side and draw one long, smooth curve going up, over the top, and all the way down to the right side. Let that line hang a little on the right side. Then flick out a small feather tip to give the head a soft bird-like edge. From that right side, start drawing the fluffy cheek feathers. Use a few rounded feather bumps as you bring the line downward. Keep those feather shapes flowing down until they meet in a soft point under the face. This becomes the center of the fluffy beard area. Add one more little feather tip on the far left, so this side feels balanced with the right. And that finishes the head. You should now have a big rounded head shape with a fluffy feathered beard underneath. Now let's draw the first wing, and we'll begin with the sleeve. From under the fluffy beard, pull a short line down, then angle it out to form the top of the sleeve. Add a curved band across the sleeve opening to give it a clean cuff. From the lower part of that sleeve, draw a long, smooth curve going down and around. This becomes the outer edge of the wing. Go back near the sleeve and draw the other side of the wing. Let this line curve outward, then sweep down to build that soft, chunky wing shape. At the bottom, start the feather tips with one rounded point. Keep it soft, not sharp. Add the next feather tips one by one. Let each one overlap smoothly so the wing looks fluffy and layered. Then connect that last feather back up, and your first wing is done. Now let's draw the remaining wing. Draw a short line dropping down, then a second curved line beside it to make the sleeve cup. From the top of that sleeve, sweep a long line outward for the top edge of the wing. Let it lift slightly as it goes. At the outer end, start shaping the feather tips. Add them one by one with soft, rounded points. Keep adding the feather bumps as you bring the line back in. This builds the lower edge of the wing and gives it that open, feathery look. Close the wing back near the sleeve with a smooth curve so the whole shape feels full and connected. To finish, add the small inner feather shapes near the base of the wing. These extra curves make the wing look layered and lively. Next up, let's get him dressed for the game. Draw a smooth line down to form the side of his jersey. Then, just add a slight curve at the bottom for the hem of his shirt. Moving right along to the shorts. Starting from under the shirt, drop a line down and angle it outward. Bring it slightly across the bottom and then angle it back up to finish that first leg. Now for the right leg, we're going to draw it lifted up, like he's about to step on a soccer ball. Draw the line pointing out, bring it straight down, and close the shape back towards the middle. Looking sporty already. All right, let's get him planted firmly on the field. We are going to start with his standing leg right here. Draw two straight, simple lines coming straight down from that side of his shorts. Next, we need to give him some classic soccer socks. Drop two more short lines below that ring for the rest of the sock. Now it's time for the action pose. We need to draw his other leg bent, right where it's going to rest on the soccer ball. Draw two short lines, curving slightly downwards from that lifted shorts opening. Finally, we can't play without the most important part of the game, the soccer ball. Draw a big, smooth curve right underneath that lifted foot to make a nice round circle. Just make sure to leave a little gap where the shoe overlaps it. Now for that classic soccer ball pattern. It might look a bit tricky, but I promise it's super easy. Start by drawing a simple pentagon that's a 5-sided shape right near the center of the ball. To wrap up our amazing mascot, let's not forget his tail feathers. Draw a few pointy curved shapes sticking out right behind his shorts on the left side. Just 3 or 4 layers will do. And there you have it. Our Eagle soccer star is completely drawn and ready for the match. You guys did an incredible job today. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time.